Welcome back to another Construct Showcase. This is the showcase for August and it's going to show off lots of great games that have been made or are in development for the Construct engine. Please check out the description if you want to find out more about these authors. Before we start, I just want to say thank you for all your support. We're now at 1,000 subscribers and this is my 200th video. So thank you very much and let's get on with the showcase. Next, what we've got is not a game but a tool. YouTubers will often put timestamps in their description, so for larger videos you can quickly find what you're looking for without having to watch the whole video. What this tool allows you to do is import one of your own videos or somebody else's, and you can quickly create these stamps by just quickly flicking through the video, hitting add stamp, and it'll create one. You can give it a title and then you can copy and paste this in your description. So I tried this out with one of my videos, which is explaining every single behavior in Construct, because I know the timestamps that were auto-generated for this video weren't accurate, and I've not had the time to go through. In about less than 10 minutes I had all of them set up, and I've got about 25 to set up for that video, and it was a really quick and easy process. So if you want to try this out for yourself, there's going to be more improvements made by the developer to this, but at the moment it's a pretty useful tool. You can check it out in the description below. The final thing that we've got to show off today is a demo of what can be done inside of 3D, and this is a very, very powerful demo. It might not look at it from the beginning, but the rain, the looks, that's the minor stuff. The more major stuff is having 3D sprites that are not actually created with 3D objects, but instead makes use of 2D sprites that have meshes attached to them that have been made to make these sort of ghost shapes that don't have the boxiness of 3D objects. But probably the biggest feature more than anything else is the laser. Having a laser that works inside of 3D is absolutely huge. My Minecraft tutorial, I had to come up with some really weird ways to get the block cursor working. A laser would have made that much easier and I could have done much more with it. You can start making better FPS weapons. You can start making stuff like gravity and portal guns inside of 3D. You can make pointers. You can do so much with that laser. And that's only just one part of the demo. This is a really great demo to check out. It shows off lots of stuff like 3D objects colliding with each other. So have a look. It is on itch. You can play around with it, but this has just blown my mind of what is capable in 3D, and I'm just excited to see what the world of Construct 3D looks like.